New rotor guard. I need a brake line. That's coming in the mail. Sunstar sprocket, DRW. I got the skid plate under here, which I need to secure though. That's just hanging. YFZR hubs, powder coated. YFZR wheels. Factory 43 Nerf bars there with the wide pegs. Dirt Trick sprocket. My own custom breather tube here. Trying to go out the front to a nice filter right there, rather than out the back. She's sucking in with an FCI. Stock box. DBR battery box with a Shirai. Grab bars on its way. ODI grips. Striker guards. Pro taper clutch. Raw connections. Race harness. With a kill switch. Electric start. .400EX throttle with a TRX-90 lever. Fox podium rear, front mount. What else we got here? B&R shorty brake. Oversized radiator. ARSFX XC arms with B&R. Well, originally they were redone by B&R, but I got them shortened and revalved by Slaughter. Shock service, precision stabilizer, with the Alba stem 1.5, and a nice custom clamp there. Dual Zerks. That's from JLS. CV4 hoses, U Carbonex hooked me up with 2 heat shields here. Got the full DASA. That's a GYTR pedal.